This is the Middleman LLC. Today, we have this Smith Corona Electric. Pretty cool. Comes with this case. I have the key. There it is. Smith Corona Portable Typewriter Series 5TE. Does it work? It does. It's electric. So let me go ahead and show you what we got going on here. Let's take my little paper that I have here with my list. Give me 1 second here. We'll set this here so it doesn't whack the thing. Alright. Give me 1 second here. Okay. So there you go. Can you hear that? So let's do E-B-A-Y. There you go. So let's do a quick little test here. Let's put this down. I'll show you. This goes over. Did you hear it ding? Listen. It dings, right? Space bar. Okay. I'm not sure what other tests there are, but it works. Okay, so there it is. It works. The Middleman LLC. If you have any questions, go ahead and reach out. It's been an absolute pleasure. I will see you in the next one.